versus Filmora usage experience. In this video, I'll be comparing two powerful video editing tools, VEED and Filmora. Both are designed to cater to different levels of video editing experience. So, it's important to understand the strengths of each before making a decision. Links to both products are included in the description below, so you can explore them for yourself. Let's dive into the comparison. VEED is an online, user-friendly video editing platform aimed at creators who want a quick, simple, and efficient way to produce videos. Its strengths lie in its easy-to-navigate interface and cloud-based design, which makes it ideal for beginners or social media content creators on the go. VEED offers features such as video trimming, adding text, subtitles, audio, and filters, with a focus on speed and simplicity. It's perfect for those who need to edit short-form content like social media posts or ads, and offers cloud-based collaboration for teams. The free version provides essential tools, while the paid plans unlock more advanced features, such as longer video lengths and custom exports. VEED is especially useful for those who prioritize ease of use over advanced editing capabilities. Filmora, on the other hand, is a more robust desktop video editor designed for both beginners and intermediate users. It offers a much broader range of editing tools compared to VEED, including advanced features like multi-track editing, motion graphics, green screen effects, and color grading. Filmora's drag-and-drop interface is intuitive, but it provides greater flexibility for users who want to dive deeper into video editing. It's great for producing polished, professional-looking content, whether for YouTube videos, tutorials, or short films. Filmora also includes a large library of effects, transitions, and royalty-free music. While it's not as simple as VEED, it offers a more comprehensive editing experience for those who need it. Pricing-wise, VEED follows a freemium model, while Filmora operates on a one-time payment system or subscription. Filmora may have a higher initial cost, but it offers more advanced editing tools for the price. In conclusion, VEED is great for quick, easy editing and cloud collaboration, while Filmora excels for users looking for more powerful features and a more professional editing experience. Check out the links in the description below to find out which tool is the right fit for you.